How to measure and install a face-fix SecureView screen to a Comalco OX window. For face-fix installations, the measurement and the installation are completed from outside the house. Removing the glass panel is not necessary. Measure the width from the left side of the window edge to the middle of the mullion, essentially where you want the 11mm window screen frame to be installed. Face-fix measuring accuracy is not as critical as drop-in, but the screen should align nicely with the window frame. The measurement is 900mm. Measure drop from the top of the window frame to the top edge of the drain hole. This measurement is 1190mm. For the face-fix installation, there are no deductions. The opening sizes are the manufacturing sizes. Install the screen. Use a pencil to mark the screen's fixing points. Commence approximately 100mm in from each corner and space the fixing points evenly. Lift the screen into place, positioning it hard up against the receiver side of the glass window frame. Check to see if the screw fixing positions are ideal. If all good, start by fixing the top and bottom screws to the mullion first. After fixing the screen's corners, install one screw in the middle of each side. For this window, we're using 10 security screws in total. Finish the installation of the window by cleaning the area. There you go, another Starline Security how-to video. Do you want to know more about installation videos or want to become a Starline Security Dealer? Please contact us for more information.